If you do interrupt the bardo, whether you bring a deity or dharmata to mind through the power of your training, you will blockade the cities of the 6 classes of beings. As you have no senses of flesh and blood, you will become whatever is brought to mind and thus disrupt samsara. Like the example of lighting a lamp in a dark room, whenever the yogi's mind parts from his body, it will not remain in the bodily form of the previous life. But instead, the very moment his mind separates from the body, attain dharmakaya, which thus is known as awakening to Buddhahood in the bardo. Furthermore, the 6 super knowledges appear. The 5 disturbing emotions are abandoned and dawn as the 5 wisdoms. The 84,000 Dharma doors are simultaneously manifest. And you act for the welfare of beings through sambhogakaya and nirmanakaya. Just like lighting a lamp in a dark room, you will awaken to Buddhahood in a single life, which is known as the spontaneously perfected fruition.